So hello guys, today welcome back to my channel, and today I have brought something interesting and so beautiful. Girls will like it, so I'm bringing it. And this is today I'm going to unbox this, and the world is looking that there are some gems, so many. So I'm going to open it. What is this? Oh, it's so cute. Wow! Look how the headshot. So this is my jewelry set, and I'll make so many jewelries with this. See this mini catchy. See this. I'm going to open it. So this I have purchased. This jewelry set I have purchased from Amazon, and this mini Caesar, I love it. And these are some beads. This is nice. I'm going to open it. Caesar, and what? This is that plastic. It's a plastic thread type, and these are some hairbands, which I can also make hairbands. And this is the paper of instructions, and I have got something small. These which I have to keep them safely. I think these are tools to make the jewelry. And see this mini Caesar, I love it. Wow. Now I'm going to open it. So let's open it and see everything. I got the heart shape. I love heart shape. You have to open it from here. Wow! I love the beads. See this bow. I love it. See the butterflies and flowers also there. See this cherry, I think, and their fruits. What is this for? What is this? I don't know. See these flowers. Wow. See these stars, hearts. So small beads. You can make many jewelries with this, and you want to go in a party, and if you want to wear any necklace matching with your dress on a party, then you can make with these all. They're so colorful, and I'm going to make one. See, I took them, and now I'm going to put it here. This point will be going inside this, and then just put it here, and then again one more. It's fall down. And I'm making this will be going there, and more beads. So as you can see that ये बन गया हमारा। इन्होंने ये नहीं बताया कि इसको लॉक कैसे करना है, इसलिए मैंने इसको उल्टा पकड़ा हुआ है, पर बीट्स तो डाल दिए ना। तो मैंने बनाया ये, और मैं इसको पहन कर ट्राई करने जा रही हूँ। वाओ कितना अच्छा लग रहा है। एंड ये हेयर बैंड भी मैंने बनाया था। इसको पता नहीं कैसे बंद करते हैं, ये देखो। So as you can see that I am with this. So I hope that you like this video, and good night. Have a nice day and be safe, be happy. I love you. Bye. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.